Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. And today, really looking forward to sharing with you about the MANGROOMER Nose and Air Hair Trimmer. I had been considering getting a new one and really love the MANGROOMER back trimmer that I also use for the other part of my body as well, which works great. And so I was really excited to know that they have this ear and nose trimmer. So I'm going to demonstrate it to you. Certainly who likes to look at someone, cleaning their nose hairs, but hey, that's what these videos are for, to demonstrate it to you so you could see it in action. Also, I'll show you how you can use it in the sink as well. I will put a link in the description down below, so if you are interested, appreciate if you would click on the link to learn more. You could read other reviews, you can ask questions, and of course you can order it. And also thanks for liking my video and subscribing to my channel. So again, this is the packaging, the MANGROOMER, the Essential Nose and Ear Hair Trimmer. And it's got what they call HydraSpin Cleaning System. And there's on the back as well. And then there's obviously the instruction sheet and also the information as well about the warranty on the product. So here you go. You can see it's got the MANGROOMER logo on there. Very simple product. It's just an on and off switch. You got your cap, and then you've got your blade in here. Now what's nice about the product is that this is easily removable. You just twist and turn, and then you could pop out the blade for cleaning purposes. This comes out, and then you could rinse it off and you can clean it. So it is and works very smoothly. Of course, it's new, but that's what's nice. I'm looking forward to having a new one that does work smoothly. Just put a brand new battery in so you can hear the noise as well. Let me go ahead and turn it on. So it's a little loud, not too bad. Again, most importantly, does it work? So let me go ahead and demonstrate. You can hear it actually cutting my nose hairs. Again, I apologize if this may bother you, but again, the reason why you wanted to come to see my video is to see and learn more about the product. So let's go ahead and turn it on. So you can hear it's cutting my hairs. And the nice part is, as it's cutting my hairs, it's not pulling. It's a very smooth cut. And you can just hear as it's getting to the hairs. There you go. It's working very well. It's cutting the hairs down, and again, it's painless. Now, let me show you as well. It is waterproof. Let me show you here in my sink. Go ahead and run it. I could turn it on. No problem. And you can see it's still running. So there you go. And sometimes that's a good thing when you are using these, where you could just run into the water and then use it. It sometimes helps with making the cleaning experience a better and smoother one. And there we go, under my left nostril. And you can hear how it's cutting my hair. I hadn't wanted to cut my nose hairs because I wanted to make sure my hairs were long enough for this video so you can actually hear the product in action. So there you go. So very simple product. Again, on and off switch. You got your cap to keep the blade, sanitized, and ever so often just run it under the water, and you can clean it out very simple and easily. So again, be sure to click on the link in the description where you could learn more about the MANGROOMER Nose and Ear Hair Cleaner. Read those reviews, ask questions, and of course order it. All right, everybody, have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.